We're here in the studio with recording equipment, microphones, and the new Kettlewell Resonant Covers on a Seydel Gregoire Maret. And I thought what I might do to start off today is to demonstrate a couple of techniques that this cover set will do, and then let you hear the recording. So I'm just going to go ahead and for you right now without any reverb or anything so you can hear. Now, I expected the tone to be richer, and so did Russ Camerer, the designer and builder, but I didn't expect the low volume to be so much more, just more projection, and for the high volume to be so powerful. And of course, the physics concept is that these chambers allow the sound waves to multiply upon one another, making a richer tone, like a trumpet, the bell of a trumpet. But here's some of the techniques that I have available here. From low to very, very high. So with the sound gear, now let's take a look at the setup. I wanted to try two microphones, the large condenser and the small. And it was my thinking that the two together would provide a better sound than either one would alone. And I believe that that's kind of been true. So let's go ahead and listen. And we'll see what you think. So I'm going to come over, starting at 0. This is the recording. Ave Maria, Kathryn Stott piano, and Yo-Yo Ma cello. One mic. The other mic. Both mics. Much better. Listen again without me gabbing all the time. a pretty piece. There we go.